How to download a video from Telegram on your PC. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily download any videos that have been sent to you on Telegram. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is have the Telegram application. If you don't have this, you can download it from your web browser and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, this should be your home page and your chats as well. On the left side of your screen, you will see all of your chats like these. And here, if you want to download any video, you want to go to that chat specifically and then select the video that you want to download. So you can just right click on the video. You will see different options like reply, pin, save as, forward, and delete. One thing that you can do is you can forward this message to yourself and save this message right here. Or what you can do is, if you want to locally download the video, right click on it and click on save as. Now you select the destination where you want to download it. So just click on your destination, select rename the video if you want, and once you rename it, all you have to do is click on save. Now in order to check it, just open your file explorer, head over to the destination that you selected, and here you will see your downloaded video right here. So you can just open it and check if the video has been downloaded or not. And that's how you can easily download a video from Telegram desktop. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.